おうじる. We use this for requests, questions, recruitment, invitations, and adjusting to situations. 応じる、お願い、質問、募集、招待、状況に合わせる場面でよく使います。It is used as an ichidan verb, o verb. In everyday speech, 応じる means to respond, to comply, to meet needs, or to match or adjust according to the situation. 相手の働きかけに返事をする、お願いに従う、必要や期待に見合うようにする、条件や量に合うように合わせるという漢字です。The only kanji means respond or answer. It often carries the idea of meeting or matching something. You can see it in everyday words like obo and oen. Think of it as linking an action to a request or need. We are here to answer your questions. お客様の質問に応じます。お客様の質問に応じます。I accepted the invitation. 招待に応じました。招待に応じました。Reduce prices based on demand. 需要に応じて値段を下げます。需要に応じて値段を下げます。Change your plan depending on the situation. 要求に応じて計画を変えます。要求に応じて計画を変えます。The most common synonyms of the word are 答える and 対応する。答える focuses on giving an answer to a question or expectation. 対応する is broader and means to handle or deal with a situation, which overlaps when you respond to needs or problems. The most common antonyms of the word are 断る and 無視する. 断る is the act of refusing instead of complying, and 無視する is ignoring instead of responding.